Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.
So this is one big achievement for GMC because GMC never had DM courses earlier and MCH courses in this super specialty. So now once we start our super specialty hospital, from March we are going to start these super specialty courses in Goa Medical College. A real great boon for local students and really a great achievement of government of Goa, that new milestone that we have achieved, therapeutic plasma exchange therapy. Now what is this therapeutic plasma exchange therapy? Now here this is something to purify your blood, I would say in the layman's language. There is something called as dialysis. In dialysis what we remove are the toxins which are to be excreted by kidney, but in this particular treatment of therapeutic plasma exchange, we remove the toxins which are responsible for certain serious syndromes called as autoimmune syndromes or autoimmune diseases. Now these apheresis machines we had brought under when there was a mission plasma during our COVID time. Now the same machines can be used for therapeutic plasma exchange. So one machine costing about 40 lakhs we had bought, and they are now put in use for the betterment of these patients.
सोमारा कोविडान आनी 8 सोंपले जाल्यार 221 नव्यो केशी रेजिस्टर जाल्यात. पॉझिटिव्हिटी रेट पावलो 7.7%. डीन सांगता ते प्रमाण केशी देंवंक लागल्यात. सध्या 15 पेशंट जीएमसीन आयसीयून आसात. चडशे खंय वाशीन घेवंक नाशिल्ले.
About 15 patients in the ICU, and total admissions in super specialty is I think 67, and this side we have 34 in medical college, and there is a slow decline now. What is our observation is most of those who are having serious illness are unvaccinated, non-vaccinated patients.
प्रुडंटा खातीर तुकाराम मराठे.